Yeah, first you need to... Okay, what you do is you stretch with your body to here. You hold me here on this side. You go with your body, with your chin. You go to here. Yes. And now move your boat. Yeah. Now try to keep your body here and move your boat independently. Yes, that's the one. Very good. Well, I think you got the point. Okay, try to do it again. You just flip a little bit, but you keep your body out and you just roll your boat back. Okay, the boat only. Yeah. See, this is the move. Do you feel it?
That's the one. Yeah, I didn't have to use my arms. Yeah.
That's the only move you have to do. And by doing this, you also push your hip. So you I need to show it, man, and don't have it. Okay, so the roll looks like this. I start here and I end like that. You just
whoa! Fuck!
In and then follow through. Yeah. So and the trick is that you go with your body. I try to do it very slow, eh? Wow! Your hips now. Hips. Yeah, it's very complicated because you're underwater, upside down, and you know it's like, what? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Get it then, get it. Relax your arms.
Relax your.
Because I can't, it's very hard for me to do anything.
Wilder for me.
Indian is for hips. Yeah, my arms this way.
This is good.
And let go of the pedal now. So you did it yourself.
Really?
Yeah. Like, I mean, I did the position, but after that.
So then I go down there and pop it up, and then where do you move the paddle for me?
Okay, what I'm doing, this is very difficult. This one goes under the boat. So try to hold it. I'm going to try to do it. Like under the boat. And this one goes all the way here, but you can't do that now because then you fall, you know?